Did you know that ulam raja, a common Malaysian herb, contains bioactive compound and may also help inhibit bacterial growth? This is how I investigate the phytochemical compound and antibacterial activity of Cosmos caudatus in the laboratory. Hi everyone, I am Nur AISYAH and this is a short recap of my final year project journey. The process begins with the preparation of the Cosmos caudatus leaf. The leaf will dry in a laboratory oven until a constant weight was achieved. After drying, the leaf were blended into a fine powder to increase the surface area for the extraction process. The powdered leaf were then weighed and divided for two different extraction methods. One sample was extracted using distilled water, while another sample was extracted using 80% ethanol. While waiting the extraction process to be completed, nutrient agar was prepared. After extraction, the mixture was filtered. The ethanol filtrate was concentrated using a rotary evaporator at 40 degrees Celsius to remove the solvent and obtain a crude extract. The crude extract were reconstituted with distilled water and mixed using a vortex mixer. Qualitative phytochemical tests were then conducted to detect the presence of phenolics, flavonoids, and alkaloids. Next, the prepared nutrient agar was poured into sterile petri dish and also allowed to solidify for the diffusion assay. The bacterial suspension were evenly spread into the surface of the agar. After that, the treated discs and control discs were carefully placed onto the agar one by one. Finally, the plates were sealed with parafilm and incubated for 24 hours. The following day, the plates were collected to observe the zone of inhibition. The inhibition zone measurements were then analyzed using SPSS through a one-way ANOVA. The results show a significant difference between the water and ethanol extract against Staphylococcus aureus with a p-value of 0.001. However, no significant difference was observed against Escherichia coli with a p-value of 0.181. Overall, the water extract show better antibacterial activity, especially against S. aureus. After all observation and measurement were completed, the used plates were discarded according to the laboratory's biosafety procedure. And that's conclude the experimental process for my final year project. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.